1. What basic process is used when we are organizing or grouping things according to category? A. Observing. B. Interpreting. C. Manipulating. D. Classifying. Two. The physical combination of two or more simple substances is called blank. A. Mixtures. B. Elements. C. Pure substances. D. Compounds. Three. Wind that occurs during nighttime is called blank. A. Calm winds. B. Sea breeze. C. Front. D. Land breeze. Four. What instrument is used to measure air pressure? A. Seismograph. B. Barometer. C. Thermometer. D. Speedometer. Five. It is a force that keeps an object at rest. A. Static friction. B. Fluid friction. C. Rolling friction. D. Sliding friction.
1. Which of the following statements shows an example of observing and inference? A. The girl is sexy and smart. B. The car stopped running because it was out of gas. C. She hears the ringing bell in the hallway. D. The rock has scratches and is very polished. Two. Which of the following is true about substance? A. Composed of different types of atoms. B. It is composed of non-bonded elements. C. Composed of chemically bonded elements. D. Molecules are not chemically bonded elements. Three. Imagine yourself as a microbiologist in a laboratory. Which of these can you use to view the structure of the SARS-CoV-2 sample? A. Simple microscope. B. Compound microscope. C. Magnifying glass. D. Electron microscope. Four. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? A. Mesosphere. B. Exosphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Troposphere. Five. What imaginary lines divide the globe into the western and eastern hemispheres which are at 0 longitudes? A. Prime meridian. B. International date line. C. Equator. D. Longitude. 1. Angela travels south 5 kilometers then goes east 1 kilometer, before coming straight back north 4 kilometers. What is her total distance? A. 10 kilometers. B. 5 kilometers. C. 8 kilometers. D. 6 kilometers. Two. Which of the following is not correct about waves? A. Waves have the capacity to transmit messages. B. Waves transfer particles, matter, and energy. C. Waves can be classified as either electromagnetic or mechanical. D. Waves carry energy from place to place but the particles do not move with the waves. Three. What is the percent by mass of rubbing alcohol in a solution that contains 275 grams of rubbing alcohol in 500 grams of a solution? A. 40%. B. 45%. C. 50%. D. 55%. One. Roy G. Biv is the basic component of white light. Among the colors below, Which color of light carries the highest energy? A. Violet. B. Green. C. Orange. D. Red. Two. What will happen when two like charges are brought together? A. Repel each other. B. Attract each other. C. Neutralize each other. D. Have no effect on each other. Three. In summer, you visited a cousin living near a coastal area. While enjoying the view of the water at night, you were refreshed by the cold breeze that has run past you. What phenomenon could explain this experience? A. Sinking and rising of air. B. Rising and setting of the sun. C. Changing seasons. D. Warming of the planet. Four. A car is moving on a straight road at a constant speed in a single direction. Which of the following statements is true? A. Average velocity is 0. B. The magnitude of average velocity is equal to the average speed. C. The magnitude of average velocity is less than the average speed. D. The magnitude of average velocity is greater than the average speed. Five. In an experiment, why is it important that the independent variable should be change? A. Makes sure that the problem will be answered. B. Results will base on the experiment conducted. C. Factors that were changed will affect the dependent. D. Results are not tentative answers to the problem.